guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, click on that subscribe button before we move on. So today's video, you guys, oh my god, I am super excited to finally be collaborating with the one and only Alipearl hair. I have been wanting to do a collaboration with this company for such a long time, and alhamdulillah, here it is. So they sent me this beautiful brown frontal wig, and these are the stuff that I got inside the bag. At first I wasn't sure about the color, but you guys will see down in the video. This color right here, you guys, is the bomb, is basically the bomb. So anyway, I am going to be fitting in this wig to see how it sits before we go ahead to glue it down. So I noticed that the wig cap was slightly light, so I'm just going to go ahead and push it back a little bit before I go ahead to glue a frontal. Make sure that all the ears fit okay, and make sure that like the wig size is actually all right. I actually made a mistake by telling them to send me a small wig size, so this wig was slightly small on me. I felt like I struggled a little bit when it comes to the ears, like on the sideburns. I struggled so much because I kept pushing it forward. So next time I'm gonna make sure that I go for a medium cap size. So if your head is big, do not even try for a medium. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this powder onto the lace, and this is just going to help the lace to be tinted and look like my skin color. So today's glue, I'm going to be using the Sister's Touch lace wig glue, and I'm just going to be going ahead to apply this onto my forehead. Then I'm going to use like a tool to just spread the glue, because you want it to be like super flat, and you can build it up depending on how long you want to wear the wig. So I'm just going to obviously wear this wig for just one day, therefore I'm only doing one layer. But the sideburns always need more glue, so I always tend to put a little bit more on the sides. Now because I haven't got time to just sit and wait for the glue to dry clear, I'm going to use a blow dryer to help the process faster. Then I'm going to use a tail comb to just press on the lace to my forehead, and this way it's going to sit really well. So as you can see here, this is what I meant by the cap size was a bit small. I felt like I was struggling so much to pull the hair to my sideburns. Here I'm just trying to push the wig forward on the other side, making sure that it comes forward and it's not sitting a little bit further back. You guys, lip gloss and hair, oh my god, it's a no-no. It's basically a no-no. Alright, so I'm just going to use my hands to just further press on that lace so that it sits perfectly. So to cut the lace, I am just going to make sure that I trim the two sides. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this eyebrow razor, because I feel like razor just gives it a perfect cut. So I start with my forehead, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the two sides. Next, I'm going to be making sure that the ears fit perfectly so that I can have the hair behind my ear. So I'm just trimming that side to make sure that it fits. Then obviously I go back in to add a little bit of glue by the ears, and just make sure that it's clear first, and then just press on the lace. I'm just gonna melt the lace by using the elastic band that they sent with the wig. So I'm just using this to tie it, and then I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of minutes, and this just helps the lace melt perfectly. Okay, let's move on to styling the hair. At this point, I'm just brushing it, trying to see what style to do, and I'm just trying to feel the hair to see, and the hair felt so soft, like it was so soft. I really like the texture of it, and I also like the color. Like, this is when I was like, okay, I think I kind of like this, but I get to love it even more. And at this point I'm thinking, should I do a side parting? And yeah, I had to take that lip gloss off. It was so annoying. The hair kept coming onto it and I was like, no, I need a matte lip. So I just changed my lip color to a matte lip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a side parting because I feel like I always do like center parts. So I'm just parting the hair and then I'm pressing onto it with a hot comb. Then I'm going to be using this Hair by Ella wax stick. I will link all the information down below as usual. And when it comes to the front, I always like to hot comb it backwards just so I can get that beautiful flick in the front. So I'm gonna section the hair into half and I'm just taking the elastic band off and you guys can see how beautifully that is blending onto my skin. Where's the lace? Like, where is it? I'm so scared of the hot comb. Just look at my facial expression. Like, I am so scared of this hot comb. It has burnt me so many times. Like, I can't deal. Okay, so I decided that I am going to be curling this hair. So I'm going to use my curling wand. This is the same curling wand that I used in my previous video where I had the body wave. I will link that video so you guys can see a detailed video on how I curl my hair, because there is actually a technique that you need to use to be able to get beautiful curls. At this point, you know what? I just fell in love with this hair, the color, everything about this. I was like, wow. The moment I curled it, it just turned into this, like, such a different wig from what I just had on. So I felt so much in love with this hair, you guys. I can't even explain. I asked on Snapchat, like, I was like, oh my God, I am so unsure about the color. And everyone that replied to me actually said that it was such a stunning color on me. They really, really loved it. And I got to see why they did. So make sure you guys give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, so that I can keep giving you guys more content. Alright, so we are done curling. I'm gonna use this got to be spray to just basically spray onto the hair. And I didn't want to leave any baby hairs. However, I did go ahead and sway that side just so it's coming down a little bit. And this is what I achieved. I absolutely loved this color on me. Alipearl, like, you guys always does it anyway. Like, it is a really, really good rated company and I am so happy to be working with them. I really love this hair. I would wear this hair over and over again if I had to. So I'm just playing around the hair, you know, styling it, because that's what you get when you take your time to style hairs. You get a really, really nice finish. So just play around with it until you achieve the style that you want, and voila, this is what I got in the end, and I absolutely love it. I also really hope that you guys like it too, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out Alipearl's links that I will be linking down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today and forever, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye now.